Hello everyone, it's Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds. I'm unboxing my last box from the mystery box number 10. I got 4 boxes from the Diamond Art Club mystery sale. I like all 4 of them. I have a purpose for 3 of them. This is the last unboxing of the last canvas and my favorite. Want to see what it is? Okay, I do too, as soon as I can find it. There it is. It is a Randal Spangler. It is fresh powder. It's a dragling in front of a bag of sugar and a bag of flour. I did get a trading card in this, and you'll never guess what color card I got. Yep. Bronze. I got a bronze. I always get bronze. That's just the way it is. I get a bronze. So, yeah, I got a bronze. So, Starlight, Star Bright. Let me play it for you. Wrote a song for me because I get nothing but bronze cards. Bronze, 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 bronze. And I have a couple more in the back. Bronze. So here is the song that she wrote for me.
Nancy sits down, wax on pen, she takes a stand. Rows of drills and rainbow lights, she's bling blinging day and night. But when the mail comes knocking hard, it's just a bronze diamond art club card. No silver shimmer, no gold surprise, just copper tones and puzzled eyes. Bronze again, oh Nancy, why? You diamond paint like stars in the sky. Every dot you place with flair, yet still no silver or gold anywhere. Your canvas shines, your hands are quick, you line those drills up neat and slick. But month by month it's the same old part, just bronze in the mail from the Diamond Art Club. She's done Elmo, woman of another universe, and misty trees, Christmas gnomes and ocean breeze. She sorts her drills by DMC, watches sparkle like the sea. But Nancy sighs, what must I do? I even framed the diamond painting too. Still the card is brown and plain, while gold cards dance, shimmering in the rain. Bronze again, oh Nancy dear, you open the package and it's bronze I fear. You've bedazzled cats and castles tall, shouldn't you be gold by now? You click your pen with noble pride, with sticky putty at your side. But every time the club plays hard, congrats, it's bronze on the same old card. One day they'll see her work and we drills aligned and colors deep. They'll say this queen of gems and canvases true deserves the gold, silver and black too. So raise your pen, let drills fall fast. Nancy's art will surely last. Her diamonds gleam like heaven's gate. This bronze card show just can't be fake. So Diamond Art Club, don't stall too long. Give Nancy gold where she belongs. She's paid her dues and canvases, this is true. Now give her cards with some consent. Till then she paints with style and charm, with bronze in hand and the drills on the tray. For Nancy knows, though they delay, she shines like golden.
Uh-huh. Thank you, Star. That's beautiful. She did a great job, didn't she? She wrote that for me, little old me. Well, actually, I want to put those back in there. And this can go in here. How many of you have only gotten bronze cards? Like I said, I have more in the back. Those were my most recent purchases, and they haven't met their friends in the back. So here is the kit, the toolkit, and it's a putty pen. I'm finding I like the clear wax better, especially living here in Florida. So this is my favorite of the 4 canvases. So let me see what this canvas retails on Diamond Art Club. Let me take a look-see, shall we? And it is called Fresh Powder. Okay, come on, phone. Come on. Well, I think there's something with the internet. Well, it says we have a connection. There we go. Fresh powder. It retails for $67.99. Awesome. So that means all 4 of them were $70. I did good. I did good. Okay. Oh, I love Randal Spangler. But it's big. Look at that dragling. And the star. For Star. So this one has 2 ABs and 2 fairy dust and 3 Diamond Art Club purples that they created just for this canvas. Well, they created the color. The 6,000 ones are ones they created. So this dragling looks like he's skiing through the flour and the sugar. Isn't that cute? I love it. This canvas is 34 inches by 20 inches, 85.9 centimeters by 50.6 centimeters. It's probably bigger than Patriotic Post, the one I'm working on right now by Dreamer Design. But Randal Spangler canvases always come out stunning. So the ABs, we have a red AB, which is going to be in his sweater and his hat. This probably, I wonder if this could be a Christmas canvas, just because This kind of looks like a Santa hat. And then a light green N, which is scattered throughout the dragon. Those are the ABs. The fairy dust is a green E, which is right in here. Yep, that's the only place it is, right in here in the dragon. And then the little black square, and that's in the flower. So that's going to be nice. That is going to be really nice. The whole bottom is like the flower. Nice. Okay. So let's look at the color palette. Color palette actually looks kind of dark, but and it is a round. I don't really have a preference because especially with Dreamer design, they're going to come out nice. It's going to come out nice. So I hit you. Okay. And there is how many colors? 54. Oh, there's an AB right there. That's going to be in the hat, in the red sweater in the hat. And here is the other AB, which is going to be, where did I say the other one was going to be? It's going to be in the dragon, scattered throughout in the dragon. Here's one of the purples. Yep, that Diamond Art Club created. This yellow is going to look nice. It's probably going to be in the tops of the sugar and the flower. Here's the other purple. Just kidding. That's 208. I like this brown, 301, and this is 341. Two bags of 310. Not my favorite color, but it will do. 2 bags of 939, another dark color, but it'll be all right. And here is a 6,000. It almost looks brown. All right, let's see if I can get these back in. So there are 2 Randal Spangler events every year. I think one's in, I don't know. I know one's in December. And then there's another one. This is going to come out so nice. This has got some fairy dust in the end of the hat. And in the top of the sweater, the ABs are in the sweater and in the dragon. And more fairy dust right in here in the dragon. I think it's going to be beautiful. I can't wait. This is another one I want to start like right now. Okay. I can't see. Wow, look at the dragon. Look at his shirt, his sweater. It's like glowing already. And it doesn't even have the ABs on it yet. I love it. It looks like it's on fire. Well, I hope you liked this video and enjoyed the song Star wrote for me and all my bronze cards. I certainly enjoy it. I enjoy all of you. Thank you very much for liking, subscribing, and following me and commenting. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. This is fun. I will see you on the next one. So be kind to everyone you meet.